So if you're trying to tackle installing a ceiling fan by yourself, this is a video you're going to want to watch. I took mine down just to clean it, but I want to make this video to show you how easy and simple it is to install one, just in case you're a little sketchy on wiring and such. So I've taken mine down. The first thing you want to do is turn the power off, whether you have a light here or maybe there's nothing there at all. It's going to be powered by a switch at some point. You can turn the switch off if you're comfortable with that. If not, go to the breaker box, turn the breaker off. So I've turned the switch off, and mine's a little more complex. I'm going to show you some pictures here about the wiring. So my fan operates off of 2 3-way switches. When you turn one off, the light goes out, you walk somewhere else, flip that switch, turns it on. It's constantly alternating the common and the hot to facilitate that action. So mine is that, and I just taped where both the hots went, because both wires are the same color on this particular installation from the builder. There's just 2 red wires, so I marked them. We've got a ground, hot, and a common. So if you have a black, a white, and a green, you're good. That's the easy setup. That's just one room, one switch. Pretty simple. And next we will install, we're going to install this mounting bracket. The wires go through the middle hole. Grab those. Push it on up. And you're going to find the screw holes of the junction box. Just going to start those. That's going to help support your fan. That's going to make a real secure mount for your junction box as well. Okay, so we got our wires out here. Oh, it didn't shock me. All right, next you have your main assembly. It's going to have the wires and a special bracket. And looking at mine, let's see that it's shaped kind of like a T, and that just goes in at an angle, and then it can hang while you get your stuff together. You can bend them wires over, and we got like 2 screws right here. There's one. We got screw here, and then on this side I have a screw. Hey guys, if you could hit that like button, share this video, subscribe to my channel so you don't miss any videos. It just helps me out so much. It gets more. I have a black and a blue. The blue is going to be for your light, the black being the power for the fan motor. Then you have a common wire, and then a ground wire. Fan. I think I learned my lesson, huh? You want to choose a wire nut that's the right size, so they get nice and tight. And that when you twist, it starts twisting the wire along itself. And then you'll know it's tight enough. Next thing you have is the fan cover. all the way up. And it'll more than likely have some holes for that go right into the bracket. It's basically what keeps it tight up against the ceiling. And the next thing up is your fan blades. And if you look, all these ceiling fans will have some type of sound dampening, vibration damper for the fan blade to the motor. This is just a little piece of rubber. And these fan blades go slide in one side. Then the next one you want to put on, I always do one opposite. Kind of helps balance them out. Won't give you so much trouble. The only thing I didn't go over was picking a side on your fan blade. A lot of them come with maybe white on one side and a wood pattern on the other. So it's up to you to decide which one you want. We got that. Now we need to get our light bulbs in. These are special bulbs. These are candelabra bulbs. They fit in places the normal bulbs don't. That's why they put them in here. Make sure you're gonna have a chain for each, the light and the fan. Mine fell off a while ago and I don't have an extra one. Plus I don't really use this one that much. I just use it for lighting. We'll put the bottom chain through. And you put this one through. Try not to drop it like I did. Might need help with that stuff. Okay. Now let's see if it works. Like I said, I don't use, I can reach in here. There. Put it on low. Hey guys, if you could hit that like button, share this video, subscribe to my channel so you don't miss any videos. It just helps me out so much. It gets more views from more people that push it out. If you have any questions about this particular video, let me know in the comments about your wiring. Maybe you're having an issue. Love to help you out. Thanks.